Hi there, hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss very important topic in fundamental analysis, ADP non-farm employment change. This is a very important economic indicator for the forex traders to understand and then develop their trading strategy accordingly. So what it is the estimated change in the number of employed private people based on the actual transactional payroll data during the previous month, and it excludes farming industry and government employees, so please take a note of it. And ADP stands for Automatic Data Processing, a company that handles payroll for about a fifth of all privately employed individuals in USA. And how it is determined: ADP Research Institute, in collaboration with the Stanford Digital Economy Lab, publishes this report monthly. And ADP analyzes payroll data from more than 25 million workers to drive employment growth estimations. And this data provides an early look at employment growth, usually 2 days ahead of the government related employment data, which is actually NFP, released by BLS, Bureau of Labor and Statistics of USA. Okay, so what does this report include? It includes total US private employment. Okay, number two, employment for US goods industries, and number three, employment for US service industries, and four, employment for small, medium, and large enterprises with the number of people or employees they can have. Okay, so if the market thinks that the report is supportive of an interest rate hike by the Fed, then it would be a bullish for the US dollar. And if the market thinks that the report is supportive of an interest rate cut or decrease by the Fed, then this would be bearish for the US dollar. So this is how we look at the report and analyze it and see what details this report has. Okay, some more information. When the data comes out about ADP non-farm employment change, if actual is greater than forecast, it's good for currency. If actual smaller than forecast, it is bad for the currency. And it's released monthly, usually the first Wednesday after the month ends. And it is categorized as red news on forex calendar. People who are into forex trading, they definitely need to look at this data figure so that they can tailor their strategy accordingly. So this is very important for forex traders to understand and analyze this report. It is also known as ADP job report, ADP employment report, or employment situation report. And job growth of less than 100,000 a month suggests that the economy is weakening. So some facts about ADP non-farm employment change. So solid growth in employment figure increases inflationary pressure, which triggers the possibility that the Federal Reserve will increase interest rates. So it has a direct link with the interest rate, this ADP non-farm employment change data, and the Federal Reserve is closely looking at this data. And traders often view the ADP report as the preliminary analysis to the BLS release of NFP because of the existence correlation between the two. And traders follow this report as employment situation report as well. So what is the possible outcome of ADP non-farm employment change? So if the figures are falling, that could indicate a weakening economy. There could be a risk of possible recession, and Federal Reserve may decrease interest rate. And if there is a strong data, it means that the economy is strengthening and the Federal Reserve may increase interest rate accordingly. Okay, so what happens when the data is out? So what could be the possible output? Above expectation or below expectations? So it could have positive or negative effect on US dollar and US dollar driven markets. So outcome, if it's better than expected, it will be strong US dollar versus other currencies. Lower than expected, weak US dollar versus other currencies. And traders can have this data as an important standard or yardstick for analyzing their spread betting or CFD trading strategy. So how do we trade? So when the data comes out, you can expect volatility in the market. The prices can go up and down, and you can either trade into profit or trade into losses. So you have to tailor your strategy accordingly based on the numbers that come out in the market about ADP non-farm employment change. Alright guys, I have to stop here. I hope you like the video. I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.